Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to slow down a video in the TikTok's new editing studio in 2022. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So TikTok has recently updated their TikTok editing studio, and now there is a new way of slowing down a video on TikTok. So let me show you how to do this. So once you have recorded or uploaded your video, then tap on the adjust button at the top right. You'll then come to this screen. At the bottom here, you'll see the timeline. To slow down a video, tap on edit, which will be below the timeline. Then tap on speed from the bottom again. Now here you'll see a speed slider just below the timeline. To slow your clip down, make sure the clip is selected and then drag the slider to the left. To slow it down 50%, move the slider to 0.5x. To slow it down more, just drag it all the way to the left to 0.1x. If you have multiple clips and you want to slow all of them down, then tap on Apply to All. Now preview your video by pressing the play button at the top. Once you're happy, tap on Save at the bottom right, then press Save at the top right. And that is how to slow down a video in TikTok Editing Studio in 2022. If this video helped you out, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.